Hey, one topic I wanted to share was scenario planning during rapid changes and constantly changes, macro and microeconomic factors. How do you do that? So I think the first piece you want to start with is making sure you know your business. Have the 3 to 4 KPIs that you know are the major drivers of your business. So if you're in SaaS, opportunity creation, opportunities closed, revenue, cash flow. You want to have your list of KPIs to know on what scenario you're going to build. So that would be my first thing that you would tackle. The second thing is listen. Now is not the time to fake it till you make it when it comes to your KPIs. If you don't know it, you don't have the research around it, acknowledge it, but do your best to find correlated data